I was really excited today to come to this place and see this Aqua Gym aquatic treadmill, which is a new concept in India. Abhi tak Bombay itself has like very limited numbers of treadmills. इसके बेनिफिट्स ये है कि एक तो पानी के अंदर जॉइंट्स पे सबसे कम प्रेशर पड़ता है, तो जो लोग जॉइंट रिहैब पर हैं या फिर जिनको बैक का या जॉइंट्स का कोई भी इशू है, उनके लिए ये बेस्ट थेरेपी है. तो विद द पर्पस ऑफ promoting this kind of a technology, this kind of a machine, not only limited to the therapy centers, but should also hit every fitness center. Indian FemFit has come in association with Bohochick and Proxima Life in Get Alive Fitness. So आज I'm very excited to share our experience with you of this Aqua Gym aquatic treadmill. और मेरे साथ है none other than actress Shweta Rohira, and she is not only a prominent personality in cinema and theatre, but she's also a very good friend. Thank you so much for taking out this time and coming here to experience the Aqua Gym aquatic treadmill. Let's get started, and Shweta is going to change now in her swimming costume, and we will be right back with the experience of Aqua treadmill. तो अब जब श्वेता कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करने के लिए गई है, क्यों ना हम बात करें प्रॉक्सिमा लाइफ के डायरेक्टर से. वेलकम अनिल एंड विकास. अनिल एंड विकास से मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि ये वाली जो ट्रेडमिल है, इसके फंक्शंस क्या हैं?
Basically, this is a system we have created, and this is the control panel of the entire system, which will allow the entire system for the water to flow in and the water to flow out, increase the speed of the treadmill and reduce the speed. And apart from that, we also have an entertainment screen here, where the people, while they are doing the walking and losing their calories, they don't feel it by seeing the entertainment. Here we have different things on the panel, that is the inlet of the water, the outlet of the water, the pressure that you want the water to have, the filter that is there. We have a filter which goes through, so every time you enter this, you get clean water. So every time water gets in and gets out of this system, the filter is on and you get clean water. So anybody using the treadmill before us is absolutely safe that we are getting clean water for using the treadmill. We have the belt on and belt off. Apart from that, we have the lights, so that when a therapist is seeing the patient, he's able to see the walk of the patient and the way he is forming. And you can also do the gait analysis of the patient because the lights are on inside. We can use the camera to capture the lights. Then that's the features of this.
So this is operational. This you can operate only with the help of an operator, or अगर अंदर हम walk कर रहे हैं तो it's easy to operate.
It's absolutely both ways. You can use it when there is only a patient or a fitness person using. He can take it inside and he can do the operations by himself. And if there is an instructor who is there, they can operate this from outside. So it is both ways it can be used.
Okay. So should we go ahead now and fill up the water and see how Shweta experiences the treadmill? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Vikas. Thank you, Anil. So now Shweta is inside our aquatic treadmill और उसको help कर रहे हैं हमारे operator Shankar. Wow. You must be already feeling the aqua part. I already feel like a mermaid. So how much time it takes to fill up the water approximately? How many?
Maximum level 7 minutes.
7 minutes. 4 feet in 7 minutes. Is it comfortable? It's really comfortable, and the way it's going, it's like, oh my god, this really has to reach every possible gym. If the beginning is like this, I can just imagine if one does it on daily level, how beneficial it could be for everyone. So as we just discussed about the benefits of this, as compared to a normal treadmill, of course the pressure must be coming on muscles and not the joints. So the very first benefit is this. Health benefits तो इसके हैं ही. कोई भी बंदा obese है, even they can try this. people with joint rehab conditions or the people who have joint issues can also try it. And people like Shweta said who love water would love to go in a machine like this and not go bored, and you have a screen in front, they have various features to get entertained. So I'm sure if it reaches every fitness center in India, it will be a treat for every fitness lover. There's one more feature here, Shweta, which I want to mention. There are jet sprays inside the machine, which is like give you more resistance. At the same time, you feel like someone massaging. Wow. So do you want to try that feature?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's get the massage started while the workout.
Right. So let's start. So these are the jet pumps which you see over there. Now Shankar is going to start the jet pumps. Look at that. Now that's coming right on the right muscle, right?
This feature just adds up to much more things to do. It's like fun cardio.
Right. So with the jet pumps and the kind of speed levels, you can always change the speed. So would you like to go a little more higher on speed and try a little more? 4? Okay, so that will be like jogging level.
Wow, this is amazing. It's not just the leg workout, the lower body, but there's a lot that can happen overall. Like you can have an entire body workout on this treadmill.
Okay, Shweta, one more feature which we have to this aquatic treadmill is there are people jinko back pain bhi hota hai. It's not only about the joint pain or the joint rehab. Sometimes they have back pain जिसकी वजह से वो चल भी नहीं पाते हैं, उनको बैक में भी पेन होता है. तो इस ट्रेडमिल का एक और फीचर है. They have created this kind of seat which I'm getting right here. So this is the seat which fits inside the machine itself, and you can sit. और जो treadmill का belt है वो instead of going this way will start going reverse, and you can sit and still do your workout with the legs. तो अब हम एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं इस ट्रेडमिल का एक और बहुत बेहतरीन फीचर, जिसमें ना सिर्फ अगर आप जॉइंट पेन से आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कोई भी वर्कआउट करने के लिए, बट अगर बैक पेन की भी इशू है, बिल्कुल चल ही नहीं पाते हैं ओल्ड एज पीपल, दे कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सीट. जहाँ पे श्वेता अभी बैठी हुई हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल सीट जो वहाँ पे मशीन के अंदर ही फिक्स हो जाती है. और ये ट्रेडमिल की बेल्ट जो है ये रिवर्स भी जाने लगती है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग दैट वेज, नाउ इट विल गो दिस वेज, सो यू कैन इजीली सिट and still work out. So now to give you some more pleasure, Shweta, while you are sitting and enjoying your walk in the water, let's start the jet sprays again. Feels like a wave pool. तो नाउ हम लोग जब तक ये पानी ड्रेन कर रहे हैं और श्वेता को बाहर निकालते हैं इस मशीन से, मैं आपको एक सेफ्टी फीचर बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये दरवाज़ा का जो लॉक है, जब तक ये दरवाज़ा अच्छी तरह लॉक नहीं हो जाएगा, जिस बंदे को थेरेपी या जिसको वर्कआउट करना अंदर जाने के बाद, तब तक वाटर का फ्लो इस मशीन में शुरू नहीं होगा. और जब तक ये पानी पूरा ड्रेन आउट नहीं हो जाएगा तब तक ये दरवाज़ा खुलेगा नहीं. सो इट्स अ सेफ्टी फीचर विच आई वांटेड टू मेंशन. प्लस एक और फीचर है कि जो जेट पंप है वो अंदर यूजर अपने हिसाब से उसका प्रेशर एडजस्ट कर सकता है. तो अगर आप फुल प्रेशर उस पर नहीं ले पा रहे हो, यू कैन ऑलवेज एडजस्ट द प्रेशर टू अ लोअर प्रेशर. एक और सेफ्टी फीचर के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ. देयर इज वन इमरजेंसी बटन ओवर हियर. थेरेपी के टाइम पे अगर किसी भी यूजर को कोई भी डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है, दे कैन ऑलवेज प्रेस दिस बटन एंड द मशीन विल ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप.
So I think this is really nice, not only for a fitness person, but for everybody.
So highly recommended by Shweta Rohira, who herself has been through a fitness journey. And now look at her, a prominent personality like Shweta Rohira, actress, award winning, and my very dear friend. I'm very happy that she came over here today took out her time from her busy schedule and came and checked out this experience. So thank you so much, Shweta. And Indian FemFit Pay, we mostly try to come out with different experiences whenever I see anything which can work out for anyone in wellness. So मेरी ड्यूटी है कि वेलनेस का मैसेज स्प्रेड करना, तो मैं होप करती हूँ ये मैसेज सब तक पहुँचे. थैंक यू सो मच Boho Check for coming along with Indian FemFit and coming for the experience with Proxima Life and Get a Life Fitness. I'm really happy and looking forward for such more association when we go ahead and do spread wellness little more. Please visit Indian FemFit as well and let's spread wellness together.